Littering plastic waste. Disposing of still usable items. Disposing of trash without sorting it. What a waste! These things we throw away are actually important resources. Look around you and you'll find yourself surrounded by a variety of plastic products. Most of these plastics are made from petroleum. This means that when we use plastic, we are using oil, which is a limited resource. That's why we have to use it carefully. When oil is used as fuel for cars or power generation, it gets burned up and that's it. But plastic can be used and reused over and over again, so it can be said to be a more effective use of oil. We have to take advantage of this. The basics are reduce, reuse, recycle. We need to keep these 3 R's in mind. First of all, preventing garbage. Reduce. It's important to reduce the amount of things we don't really need. For example, use your own bags to reduce the amount of plastic bags you use. That is what it means to reduce. Next is reuse. Plastic is strong and long-lasting, so if you can use it repeatedly, use it as many times as you can. And just because you're done using something, don't just throw it away, but find another use for it. This is reuse. The third R is recycle. In Japan, the recycling of plastics is increasing year by year. The ratio of effective utilization of plastic waste is a whopping 84%. This is high even by global standards, and it continues to grow each year. Here is the breakdown. Material recycling refers to the utilization of used plastic as a raw material for making new plastic products. A typical example is the recycling of plastic bottles. Used plastic bottles are collected and sorted. The bottles are then crushed into small pieces, then made into flakes. From this, items like clothing and office supplies are made. Technology has also been developed to recycle plastic bottles for beverages. Chemical recycling is a recycling method that utilizes chemical technology. It uses the mechanism of chemical decomposition to turn plastic into oil or gas, which can then be reused as raw materials or fuel. It's also possible to make ammonia, which can be used as a raw material for textiles and fertilizers. The third way to make effective use of used plastic is energy recovery. Energy recovery is a method of taking used plastic that cannot be recycled as a product, then burning it so it can be used as heat energy. Plastic made from petroleum has a higher heat value than paper. By burning it, energy is effectively utilized. The heat produced during the incineration process can generate electricity and can be used in heated pools and heaters. I hope you now understand the 3 R's. Recently, a new word has been added to the 3 R's. Renewable, meaning the use of renewable resources to further promote efficient utilization of resources. Currently, plastic accounts for about 40% of household waste. And that's precisely why how we dispose of used plastic is very important when it comes to taking care of our environment. Be sure to separate used plastic correctly by referring to the recycling mark on the product, thus promoting environmentally friendly recycling. Various types of plastics are used in the medical field, such as in hospitals and dental clinics. Non-woven masks and gloves. These are also made of plastic. And the treatment is over. Take off the gloves and... Huh? Are these disposable? That can't be right. Well, actually, no. In fact, sometimes disposables are necessary. One of the most important things in the medical field is measures to prevent infections. Using medical supplies repeatedly creates the possibility of in-hospital infections. In order to prevent this, it's necessary to always use clean and hygienic products. That is why disposable products are often used. These types of products used in the medical field are called disposables. Currently, most disposable products are manufactured in clean rooms and other hygienic factories, and are then sterilized before being shipped. The widespread use of disposable products has improved the medical and sanitary environment, saving many lives. As you can see, plastic has positive uses as well. The important thing is to think carefully about how, when, and where we utilize it, and only use it when necessary. Wasting it or not disposing of it properly is a definite no-no. But using plastics wisely means we can make effective use of resources, protect the global environment, and improve the medical and sanitary environment. So, what do you think? There are many creative ways to use plastic. Well, that's it for today. See you again soon!